Alaska is a land of raw beauty, where towering glaciers, untamed wilderness, and breathtaking landscapes create an experience unlike anywhere else. Known as the last frontier, it offers travelers a chance to witness nature at its most majestic, from snow-capped peaks to deep fjords teeming with marine life. Whether you're chasing the northern lights, exploring vibrant coastal towns, or trekking through vast national parks, Alaska guarantees an adventure that stays with you forever. Join Wild Discoveries with Sarmad as we explore the 10 best places to visit in Alaska in 2025, uncovering the magic and wonder that define this extraordinary state. Number 10. Fairbanks. Fairbanks is a gateway to Alaska's Arctic beauty, offering travelers a chance to witness the mesmerizing northern lights in the winter months. As one of the best places in the world to experience this phenomenon, the skies above Fairbanks transform into a spectacle of swirling greens, purples, and blues. In the summer, the city is bathed in the midnight sun, where daylight lingers for nearly 24 hours, creating a surreal atmosphere. Visitors can explore the Museum of the North, which showcases Alaska's indigenous heritage, or take a scenic cruise along the Chena River. The nearby Arctic Circle wilderness offers an unfiltered glimpse into Alaska's most remote landscapes. Whether marveling at celestial wonders or embracing the rich cultural history, Fairbanks is a place that encapsulates the magic of the North. Number 9. Ketchikan. Ketchikan, known as Alaska's first city, is a picturesque coastal town rich in indigenous heritage and fishing traditions. Renowned as the salmon capital of the world, its waterways thrive with wildlife and industry, making it a fascinating destination for travelers. A stroll through Creek Street, a historic boardwalk that hovers over the water, takes visitors through the town's colorful past. The towering totem poles scattered throughout Ketchikan tell ancient stories of the Tlingit, Haida, and Tsimshian peoples, offering insight into their vibrant artistry. Nearby, Misty Fjords National Monument presents dramatic landscapes of glacier-carved cliffs, cascading waterfalls, and deep emerald waters that reflect the untouched wilderness surrounding them. Whether exploring local culture or venturing into breathtaking fjords, Ketchikan is a destination that captures the spirit of coastal Alaska. Number 8. Mendenhall Glacier. Mendenhall Glacier stands as one of Alaska's most iconic natural wonders, stretching over 12 miles of pristine ice. Located just outside of Juneau, this glacier offers visitors a chance to see firsthand the power and beauty of glacial landscapes. The surrounding mountains and waterfalls provide a stunning contrast to the frozen expanse, making every view unforgettable. Adventurous travelers can hike along the Nugget Falls Trail, which leads to a roaring waterfall crashing into the icy waters below. Kayaking near the glacier's edges offers an up-close encounter with its luminous blue ice formations. With its ever-changing beauty and accessibility, Mendenhall Glacier is a must-visit for those looking to witness Alaska's frozen majesty. Number 7. Kenai Fjords National Park. Kenai Fjords National Park is a realm of deep blue waters, towering icebergs, and rugged mountain peaks that rise from the ocean. Exit Glacier, one of the few glaciers visitors can walk up to, provides a first-hand look at the slow-moving force of nature that continues to shape Alaska's landscapes. Cruising through the fjords reveals breathtaking cliffs, hidden coves, and thriving marine wildlife, including humpback whales, sea otters, puffins, and harbor seals. Kayaking through these waters allows travelers to immerse themselves in Alaska's raw coastal beauty, paddling alongside towering glaciers and untouched wilderness. Whether exploring ice-carved valleys or witnessing nature's grand spectacle in the ocean, Kenai Fjords offers an unparalleled glimpse into the untamed frontier. Number 6. Denali National Park and Preserve. Denali National Park and Preserve is home to North America's tallest peak, Denali, standing at 20,310 feet above the land. This vast wilderness is a paradise for adventurers, offering sweeping tundra landscapes, alpine lakes, and some of the best wildlife viewing in the world. Visitors can embark on safaris to see grizzly bears, moose, wolves, and caribou, roaming freely across the terrain. The park's immense size ensures that every journey through its trails feels like stepping into unexplored territory. With its awe-inspiring mountains and abundant wildlife, Denali National Park is a destination that celebrates the true essence of the Alaskan frontier. Number 5. Kodiak. Kodiak is an island where nature reigns supreme, best known for its population of Kodiak brown bears, some of the largest bears in the world. The island's untamed beauty extends beyond its famed wildlife, with dense forests, rugged coastlines, and thriving fishing villages that reflect Alaska's strong maritime heritage. Fort Abercrombie State Park offers breathtaking ocean views and historic World War II sites, adding depth to Kodiak's rich past. Exploring Kodiak by kayak, visitors can navigate its protected waters, encountering stunning scenery and untouched shorelines. Whether seeking thrilling wildlife encounters or embracing the slow-paced island lifestyle, Kodiak is a retreat into Alaska's wilder side. Number 4. Seward. Seward is a vibrant coastal town that serves as a gateway to Alaska's marine wonders. Surrounded by towering mountains, lush forests, and glacier-fed waters, Seward is a hub of adventure. The town is home to the Alaska Sea Life Center, where visitors can learn about marine conservation and see local wildlife up close. Mount Marathon offers a challenging hike that rewards climbers with breathtaking views of the ocean and nearby fjords. Boat tours departing from Seward navigate through deep fjords, revealing massive tidewater glaciers and abundant marine life. Whether exploring ocean wildlife or embracing the charm of a seaside town, Seward is a destination where adventure meets relaxation. Number 3. Katmai National Park. Katmai National Park is one of the best places in the world for bear watching, with Brooks Falls providing a spectacular scene of grizzlies catching salmon in midair. This park's volcanic landscapes, filled with rugged valleys and remote wilderness, create an extraordinary environment for exploration. The vast expanse of Katmai remains largely untouched, allowing visitors to experience the raw beauty of Alaska without distraction. Beyond the bears, the park's breathtaking scenery and isolated feel make it a haven for nature, lovers seeking a deep connection with the wild. Number 2. Valdez. Valdez is a hidden treasure in Alaska, surrounded by towering mountains, deep fjords, and mesmerizing waterfalls. Keystone Canyon offers a dramatic setting with cascading falls such as Bridal Veil Falls, creating a picturesque hiking experience. The nearby Columbia Glacier, one of Alaska's largest, can be visited by boat, where travelers can witness massive icebergs floating in the frigid waters. Rich in maritime history and blessed with striking natural beauty, Valdez is an incredible destination that combines tranquility with adventure. Number 1. Juneau. Juneau, Alaska's capital, is a city built between mountains, glaciers, and the sea. Whale-watching tours provide unforgettable encounters with migrating humpback whales, while the Mount Roberts Tramway offers panoramic views of the surrounding wilderness. The city's historic streets tell the story of Alaska's gold rush era, inviting travelers to explore its museums, old mining sites, and charming waterfront cafes. Whether trekking through glacier-covered landscapes or indulging in fresh seafood along the harbor, Juneau captures the essence of Alaskan adventure. Alaska is a land of untouched wilderness, thrilling landscapes, and remarkable wildlife, Whether exploring glaciers, spotting bears, or experiencing the northern lights, every moment in Alaska is a memory waiting to be made. Follow wild discoveries with Sarmad and let Alaska's incredible beauty inspire your next adventure. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an exploration of the world's most stunning places.